Very good to meet you. Welcome to Starbase. All right. Oh, dari sini lah.
Sudah Pak, dia bicara Pak. Bapak berdua Pak.
Yeah.
Dengar nggak?
It's like oh great, okay.
Still growing good.
Sometimes it's just slowly printing. Yeah, like they have been.
So yeah, so this is the rear flap, and then the forward flaps are way up there. And this is 50 meters long and 9 meters in diameter. Wow. Yeah.
Ya, ini tindak lanjut perintah saya kepada Menteri Koordinator Investasi untuk berbicara dengan Elon mengenai investasi, mengenai teknologi, mengenai inovasi, dan sekarang saya ke sini dan bertemu langsung dengan Elon untuk mendiskusikan kerjasama yang akan datang. Saya kira dia sangat tertarik sekali untuk segera datang ke Indonesia, dan tadi saya sudah sampaikan untuk bisa datang di Indonesia. Saya rasa ini tidak hanya berkaitan dengan Tesla, tetapi tadi juga ditunjukkan mengenai proyek besarnya mengenai SpaceX. Artinya urusan teknologi saya kira memang Elon super genius. Udah.
Elon, any thoughts about the President Jokowi visit today to your company today?
Sure. Well, I'm very excited about the future of Indonesia, and I'm really fired up by people in Indonesia seem very optimistic and positive about the future, which is awesome. So I think Indonesia has tremendous potential, and I think we're going to look closely from a Tesla and SpaceX standpoint to try to do some partnerships in Indonesia. And I think, I'm really fired up by how fired up you all are. Like your positive energy is very, it's great to see such positive energy. And like I said, I think the future of Indonesia is very bright.
Okay. Any future collaboration maybe that is your plan?
I think we're looking closely at potential collaboration on many fronts. Like I said, I think Indonesia has tremendous potential on so many levels, and I think it's great that Indonesia has a big population and the population is growing, and this is very good because we need a lot of people for the future, and also Mars. Mars does not have any people, and so we need people for Mars. Volunteers, we want to. It is a volunteer basis, though.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Thank you.
When do you plan to Indonesia maybe?
Hopefully in November. There was an invitation to visit in November, and I'm very appreciative and thank you for the invitation.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.